Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy way to set Pinterest's background activity to Optimized on your Android device. If you've noticed your battery draining faster or just want to make sure Pinterest isn't using more resources than it needs, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and head straight to your settings. You can usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. The icon looks like a little gear. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device. Next, look through the list and find Pinterest. If you have a lot of apps, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate Pinterest. Tap on the Pinterest icon to open its settings. Now that you're in the Pinterest app settings, look for the option that says Battery. Tap on Battery to open up the battery usage settings specifically for Pinterest. Here, you'll see several options for how Pinterest can use your battery in the background. What we want is the Optimized setting. This option allows your device to manage Pinterest's background activity intelligently, helping to save battery without missing important notifications. Select Optimized. You might see a quick confirmation or a brief explanation of what this setting does. Once you've chosen Optimized, you can exit out of the settings. And that's it. You've now set Pinterest's background activity to Optimized. This simple change can help extend your battery life and keep your phone running smoothly, especially if you use Pinterest frequently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.